proof of relation between beta and gamma function. So here beta of m comma n equal to gamma m into gamma n dividing by gamma m plus n. So here we check that whether we get the same proof. Here we write the definition of beta and gamma. So here we write the alternative formula of beta of m comma n is nothing but twice integration 0 to pi by 2 sine square 2 power m minus 1 theta into cos power 2 n minus 1 theta into d theta. So we consider this as equation number 1, and here we write gamma n definition is nothing but alternative formula twice integration 0 to infinity e power minus x square into x power 2n minus 1 into dx. And gamma n, we change the variable, we write it as 2 times integration 0 to infinity e power minus y square into y power 2n minus 1 into dy. So here gamma m into gamma n is there in the numerator. We multiply the term gamma m into gamma n. So it is nothing but 2 2s are 4. We have the limit 0 to infinity integration 0 to infinity e power minus, here power we can write it as x square plus y square, and here x power 2n minus 1 into y power 2n minus 1. This is m. So here this one m is nothing but here m minus 1. Then we can write it this as x power 2n minus 1 into y power 2m minus 1 into dx into dy. So here e power minus x square plus y square is there. This is x square plus y square is nothing but circle. So here we are getting the first quadrant. So already we have discussed this one. This is nothing but so here x is 0 to infinity, 0 to this one is infinity, and y is 0 to infinity. Both are positive, so we must consider this one. So here theta is 0 and theta is pi by 2. So here x we must consider r cos theta, y is r sin theta. So here we are getting r is 0 to infinity, theta is 0 to pi by 2. So we substitute these things in equation number 2. So here if we substitute, we can write it as integration 0 to infinity e power minus x square plus y square. Here if we square and add this one, we get the circle, that is x square plus y square equal to r square. So this is nothing but e power minus r square, and here x is r cos theta power 2 power n minus 1, and y is r sin theta. Write it in terms of bracket, and here dx is nothing but, so already we have discussed this one, dx and dy together we can write it as r into dr into d theta by Jacobian. So r into dr into d theta. So here we split the power So here we have the limit theta is 0 to pi by 2. So now we write r1 to r1 side and the theta one side. So here e power minus r square. Here we split the power, r power 2n minus 1. Here cos theta is the cos power 2n minus 1. Similarly, r power 2m minus 1 into sin power 2m minus 1 theta r into dr into d theta. Here limit is 4 times 0 to pi by 2, 0 to infinity. So here now we write r together, integration 0 to r limit is 0 to infinity e power minus r square r power. Here we add this power 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power m minus 1 plus 1. And we write the theta now. Theta is 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 into theta cos power 2n minus 1 into theta into d theta. Here 4 is there, we write it 2 into 2. So here we have written the equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin power 2m minus 1 into theta into cos power 2n minus 1 into theta into d theta is nothing but definition of beta. So this one we write it as, this one is nothing but beta of m comma n. Left hand side we have gamma m into gamma n. Here we simplify the term, 2 times integration 0 to infinity e power minus r square into r power 2. Here if we add this one and this one get cancelled, we get 2 power m plus n minus 1. Here we can write twice m power m 2 power r square into m plus n minus 1. So here we know that gamma n is nothing but twice 0 to infinity e power minus x square into x power 2n minus 1 into dx is the definition. So here x is nothing but, here we have n is nothing but m plus n is there. So here this one we can write it as gamma m plus n into beta of m comma n. So here we modify this one, beta of m comma n, we can write it as gamma m into gamma n dividing by gamma m plus n.